Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadget. This is the BlitzWolf BW-AS2 40W dual driver Bluetooth speaker. If you've been watching my channel for a little while, then you probably know that I did a review with BlitzWolf first Bluetooth speaker, which turned out to be okay. And this one is their follow-up. Now we're gonna crack it open and see how does it stack up. What we want to know is, did they make any improvement? Does it sound any better? Is it louder? Does it have more bass? You know the drill. So here's some of the specs they pack inside of the BW-AS2. It has Bluetooth 4.2, a 3.5mm audio jack port. It has 40W power output. It has a working distance of about 10 meters, which is about 33 feet, and a battery capacity of about 5,200 milliamp. And it does pack a mic inside, so you can make conference calls and all that kind of jazz. All right, let's crack it open and see what's good. All right. Yeah, this thing has a little weight to it. All right, let's see what's in the accessory box first. USB charging cable, regular A to micro, and 3.5mm audio jack port cable. All right, there you go. That's the BlitzWolf BW-AS2. And if you notice, I'm gonna put a picture up here somewhere of the first one. You can notice they have a totally different design language for this one. Let's do a little tour. All right, so up front, we got some controls. We got that volume up and down, got a play and pause. Make some calls with that one right here. This is a multi-function button. That's a power button right here. And I'm assuming these are some indicator lights. And this is your microphone. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. You got the grill up close. Probably see some drivers inside. That's the side. On the back, got a slot for a micro SD card. Got that reset button, I think. Audio jack port, USB, micro USB charging port. And I guess this is another charging port. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. On the bottom, that's what you get. All right, so we got enough of that. Switch it on, pair it up, and see what it has to offer. All right, so you heard what I heard. However, there's gonna be a slight difference from my side to your side coming over my microphone. But from what I heard, they did a really good job in making sure this sounds really clean. I wouldn't call it balanced, but it is balanced enough to give you a nice clean sound. The top end is kind of like recessed a little bit, and that mid-range is pushed up, but that bass is definitely present, it's definitely forward, and it's the emphasis inside of this little thing. But they've done a good enough job to make it sound really nice. So this is something that you probably have on your desk when you're at work, or if you're just trying to, chill and you want to listen to some music, you definitely have this. This is not a party speaker because it doesn't get that loud. And I would say it's probably about the same volume as the BW-AS1. So the BW-AS2 is almost in the same volume when you turn it up. But the only difference is this one just kind of resonates a little bit more with a little deeper bass and a little more cleaner sound. And I definitely dig that. Now, is it worth it? You got to determine that. But what I can tell you is it's a nice clean sound, and my recommendation would be it's not a party speaker. So if you're trying to party, if you're trying to have a party of 5, a party of 10, this can work, but it's not one of those speakers that are going to make you jam out and have a really fun time, but it sounds fun when you're playing music from it. Now, what I can tell you is this is one of those speakers that you would get when you want to chill, when you want to play some nice mellow music, you want to play some, you can even play podcasts over this because it got that mid-range kind of push up a little bit, so you can get vocals coming in nice and smooth, but you're gonna have a lot of bass in it. So you might want to EQ, you know, whenever you're doing podcasts, but when you're doing music, you could just leave it alone and listen to it just the same. So my recommendation, as I say, is if you want to chill in your office, at your home, for a speaker for your kitchen, when you want to listen to some music, this is it. This is the one you need to get. But for party, this is not the one. All right, so that is the BW-AS2 Bluetooth speaker from BlitzWolf. And I would say it's a good speaker. You determine if it's worth the price they're asking, but I think it sounds cool. All right, this is your boy CH. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.